Hello, my name is Stefan and today I will show you the KIDFIX iSize. Before we install it in the car, let's have a look on the features and benefits. To get you started, this QR code will take you directly to the product website where you can find the installation video. You can also find all the information you need in the user guide, which is located right here. So that the seat is always the right size for your child, you can easily move the headrest up. The markings on the back are helpful to get the right setting every time you change the seat between cars or when multiple kids use the seat at different times. The KIDFIX iSize comes with the beloved XP pad, which offers improved protection for your child's chest and neck in case of a frontal collision. The soft edge also makes wearing the seatbelt more comfortable for your child. The seat has been completely redesigned and offers improved protection in case of a side collision. To activate it, you just slide it on, either like this or like this, depending on the distance between the seat and the car door, in order to reduce the gap as much as possible thanks to these two settings. The popular Secure Guard provides a fourth attachment point for the seatbelt and offers improved protection for your child's abdomen in case of a frontal collision. When we turn the seat around, you can see the ventilation holes. These enable air circulation to keep your child comfortable and cool during long car journeys. When Britax designed this booster seat, they worked together with leading car manufacturers in order to optimize the seat's performance. The slim size of the KIDFIX iSize allows you to fit 3 of them in the back row of a wider range of cars. And of course, the seat is equipped with ISOFIX to make the installation as easy and secure as possible.